How do I grow my business? It's the number one question many entrepreneurs ask and the most misunderstood. In this video, I will give you a real answer based on what's actually working right now in today's economy. Hi, my name is Davies, a business owner who started my own pressure washing business, learning from my mistakes, and now I'm sharing what I've learned along the way. If you're feeling stuck, you're overwhelmed, and you're unsure of what to do next, then this video is for you. Let me share with you 7 simple, powerful principles. Principle 1, solve a painful problem. Business isn't just about passion, it's about solving problems. Find something people complain about, they hate doing, or they desperately need, and be the solution. The bigger the problem, the bigger the paycheck. Principle 2, understand your target market. Ask yourself this question: who exactly am I helping? Don't just say everyone. Define your ideal customer. What do they need? What are they searching online? And where are they hanging out? Speak their language. You solve their problems, then you earn their money. Principle 3, build a simple, repeatable offer. Don't complicate your product or service. Make it simple, easy to explain, and deliver consistent results. People pay for clarity and convenience, not complexity. Principle 4, master one marketing channel first. Choose one platform, for example, Facebook or YouTube, Instagram or Google, or even door-to-door. Don't spread yourselves too thin. Master one channel. Generate leads, then expand later. Principle 5, follow up like a pro. Most sales happen after the first contact. Use emails, texts, calls, whatever it takes to follow up. Fortune is in the follow-up, especially in the service businesses. Principle 6, use systems to save time. Growth happens when you work on the business, not just in it. Use automation tools, templates, checklists, and virtual help to stay organized and scalable. Finally, principle 7, improve your offer, not just your effort. Hard work is important, but it is not enough to grow a profitable business. A lot of people believe that if they just keep on working harder, success will come. But in reality, it is not how hard you work. It's about how valuable your offer is to the people you're trying to help. Here's the truth: you don't get paid for your effort, you get paid for the results. So, how do you actually make your offer irresistible? Let's break it down into practical ways to increase the value of what you're selling. 1, refine your pricing strategy. Sometimes your offer isn't bad. Your pricing is just confusing or unjustifiable. Instead of competing to be the cheapest, compete on clarity and outcomes. People will pay more for something that solves their problem faster or even easier. 2, dial in the tangible results. People don't want a product or service. They want a transformation. Don't sell pressure washing. Sell a spotless patio your neighbors will envy. Make the end results vivid, desirable, and also measurable. 3, add bonuses that remove hesitation. Add value that makes people feel like they are getting a real deal. For example, offer a free driver rings or a discounted gutter cleaning if they book today. Stack the offer so high that people feel like saying no means missing out. 4, offer a strong guarantee. A clear, bold guarantee reduces risks in people's minds, especially your customers. 5, package it like a pro. Don't just sell a service. Build it into a package that makes sense. For example, instead of selling pressure washing for $300, offer instead the home shine package. Full patio, driveway, sidewalk, 3 hours transformation, only for $500. It feels more complete, premium, and even worth it. The bottom line is, your offer is what turns attention into income. Hard work may get you noticed, but a great offer, that's what gets you paid. So, before you pour more sweat, take time to improve what you're actually offering. It could 10x your business without 10xing your effort. If you want to grow your business, stop guessing and start applying these 7 principles. If this video gave you any value, hit the like button and subscribe. I drop business insights like this every single week. So, if you got any question or business you're trying to grow, drop that in the comment section below. Let us build together.